let's cut to the chase. What you think about them ranch lemon pepper chicken thighs on that thumbnail? I know them babies looking good and delicious, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our chicken thighs. Now guys, if you don't want to use chicken thighs, you can use chicken wings or chicken breasts, whatever you want to use, but we're gonna use chicken thighs for this particular recipe. We have our flour, we have some butter, some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Right here we have lemon pepper and ranch dressing mix. Right here, more lemon pepper, more ranch dressing mix, more lemon pepper, more ranch dressing mix. We got some black pepper. We have lemon zest here, corn starch, and we have some eggs right here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. So we're gonna get started by drizzling a little olive oil on here. This is just gonna work as a binder for that seasoning. Just a little bit, you just wanna get it coated. Next, we're gonna add a little pinch of pepper here. We're gonna add our ranch seasoning and our lemon pepper seasoning right here. And as normal, just gonna get that baby mixed up. Get all these flavors together. You guys know how we do it. We like all that flavor and those seasonings to start talking to each other, get into relationships with each other so they can mesh well. So yeah, just like that. All right, so we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, let those seasonings set in. And while we do that, we're gonna start preparing our flour. All right, so we're just gonna take our flour, add it to this big bowl, along with our corn starch, our lemon pepper seasoning, our ranch seasoning mixture, add some more of that black pepper. We add about a teaspoon of lemon zest. All right, and we're gonna set that aside until we're ready to drop those thighs in that hot oil. So we've let our chicken sit for a moment. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our egg and we're just gonna pour it over here like this. And again, we're gonna get at another mix just like this. Guys, this is just one egg, all right? Just like that. Now we're gonna bring over our flour. Next, we're gonna take our chicken, put it in our flour. We'll get that flour pressed down in there like that. And I have a rack here sitting on the side. I'm just gonna sit our thighs right there on that rack. And we're gonna continue with another piece. All right, so we're finished breading our chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and heat up our oil. Actually, the oil has already been heated up. So we're gonna move over to our stove here in just a second. But before we do that, we're gonna prepare our lemon ranch sauce, all right? So guys, I realized it wasn't recording. I'm sorry. I took one stick of butter, I melted it. I added my lemon juice. I added some ranch seasoned mix. I added some lemon pepper seasoning and I added a dash of pepper and I gave it a good mix and this is what we have. So we're gonna sit this aside until the chicken is done. All right, let's move over to our stove now. All right guys, so now we're gonna start dropping our thighs here in our oil. And you're gonna probably have to, depending on how many you have, you gotta cook them in 2 batches or a couple of batches. Well, 2 is a couple, maybe a few batches. And we're gonna let them cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how big your thighs are, guys. But you know, once chicken starts rising, you're pretty much good to go. But you also wanna make sure that internal temperature is around 165. All right, guys, it looks like we are there, man. Look at that right there. So I'm gonna remove these here from the pan, put these on a rack. Right here is a tray right here, and then I'm gonna add them to a rack. And my warmer, man, look at that, it's beautiful. And we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our other batches. That way we can get this baby finished up. But make sure you have this rest on a rack so your skin doesn't get soggy. So I'm gonna put mine here on a rack. Now we're gonna start dropping our next batch. All right, so we're done on our second batch. Go ahead and get these babies out of here. Guys, look at that. So I'm gonna add these to our rack. Then we're gonna head over to our cut board so we can get that sauce on these babies so we can get to eating. to top that off, we're gonna take some of this ranch lemon pepper seasoning, and we're just gonna, and it's just a sprinkle on, and we're gonna sprinkle that on like that, just to add more of that flavor. And there you have it, guys. Ranch lemon pepper chicken thighs. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Also, measurements and ingredients in the video description below, guys. Let's jump into quality control so we can test this baby out. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, guys, we gotta handle this quality control, man. Y'all already saw it. Sliced a piece of, man, it's tender too, man. But chicken thighs are always pretty tender to, look at that. Oh, man. Oh, boy. I'll let y'all see that. And the flavor. The ranch seasoning mixed with that lemon pepper. Oh, man. Absolutely delicious. Man, I got me one. So guys, you gotta try this. This is delicious. If you love lemon pepper and you love that ranch, you can't go wrong. Until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.